Let me see. Oh, it's going, it's going, it's going.
It's not really that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Damn, this is.
She always up in my video. Always up in my video. I don't get people. No, get off me right now. I'm gonna put the B and the LCAK in my fucking video. Just say, hold my
What
shit.
the hell?
Hold my shit. Y'all gotta hold my shit. Hold my shit. Girl, if you don't get off of me right now. Okay, hold on, that shit, the most about. But I'm not right now.
Shit! I feel like making mistakes.
Fuck them. I don't like people who just get up on my videos. Like, if you're gonna be kissing behind my videos and making nasty, like
Victoria and Steven.
Anyways, I just don't like people going by how
He hella black.
Okay, you know what?
Oh my god!
You were not good.
She just got wet.
You stop recording?
Somebody
Still recording, nigga.
I don't really like people. Go get up my fucking video. Like some people just be kissing in my video. Go get a room and go kiss somewhere else. I don't want to see you making nasty in front of my fucking video. And all y'all niggas in the mood because y'all blocking my damn son.
Damn!
And, watch it. I can't even shout out. But I don't like, don't kiss in front of my videos.
Wait,
don't
what?
fuck in front of my videos.
Wait, don't
talk
fuck
in my
Who
videos.
the fuck is gonna fuck it? What the fuck?
How you gonna do that? Damn.
Do this. Then when I beat your ass, like, he just a fucking bully. Bitch, you was in my video. So you was video on my bully. Okay.
Whoa.
This is a perfect example of a white nigga who gets in my fucking videos.
Kylie, nigga.
Yeah, white power, what the fuck?
Yeah, white power. What the fuck?
But the story is, I don't like people in my fucking videos.
We brought you guys here.
Get out of my fucking video. All y'all niggas and white people.
Oh, looks like we gotta go to class, nigga.
Why is your